What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So if you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. Currently, we are working on vinyl decals that I have to get out today. So if you do not know, Mondays are the busiest day for me, hands down, because I have like 3 days of orders I have to get out. So I'm starting early. And so we're gonna be doing that. We're just gonna be doing customer orders today because there's so many of them. So this will be a decently long video. So if you guys enjoy that, then you'll enjoy this video. So let's get started and I will see you guys in a bit. Oh my God, guys, it is going to be a busy day. So usually I have about maybe 8 to 10 pages. "26 pages. All right, we got no time to waste, so let's just get to it. What a morning. I'm telling you, this took way longer than expected. I know that was a long time lapse because it was a very long time. This is the amount of sticker orders we got. This is just stickers. We haven't even gotten into the decals yet, which I have right here that's already cut out. But this is eBay, and this is Amazon. Do you see like they're almost even? That's because I got my account back to above average selling on eBay. So I'm getting a lot more orders, which I'm very blessed about. So we had over $420 worth of orders on eBay alone just over the weekend or the last 2 days, which is amazing. So let's go get these started. Guys, look how many freaking stickers are in here. It's so hard to tell. You'll see when I take them out. And that's not even all the stickers. I still have all the popular ones right here that I'm going to be putting in the orders. So Very blessed, but a lot of work this morning, a lot of mishaps with the printer machine and the cutter. Other than that, guys, let's get to the video. Enjoy the rest of the time lapse. Then we'll be going over yesterday's revenue to see how much money that we made. I decided today, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just make some coupon codes for my website to try to drive traffic from my eBay and Amazon store to my website with this QR code. So I'm gonna stack those and put those in there, and then we will be finished. All right, guys, we are done with our orders. Here they are stacked up. A lot of orders in there, probably close to like 80 or 90 orders just over the weekend. So thank you so much for watching. Now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $155.78. We made $221 on Shopify on Quality Prints USA yesterday, and $262.52 on Amazon yesterday. So a total of $639 in revenue yesterday, which now we're almost at $12,000. We're at $11,978. Guys, I'm liking where this is going. I do not know where this is going to lead coming into the months, but I am excited. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.